Hello, my name is Margit Restas and I'm a product manager at Emerson. Today I am going to show you how to configure and run a smart echo level test on the Rosemount 5408 and Rosemount 3408 non-contacting level transmitters. The smart echo level test is a remote partial proof test that allows you to confirm and validate the reliability and safety performance of your transmitter while it remains installed on the tank without changing the actual product level. To perform this proof test, we will use a heart modem, an ammeter, AMS Device Configurator, the latest FDI package, and a Rosemount 5408 or a Rosemount 3408 level transmitter with the latest Cage software and the smart proof test package enabled. After establishing connection to your device using the FDI package, you will land on the overview page. Click Rosemount Radar Master Plus and navigate to the proof test under the service tools. Here you will find a complete list of the available proof test procedures which offer you easy to follow guidance. In this example, we'll run a smart echo level test. Proof test E. Once selected, you will land on the smart echo level test page, where you can both configure and start the test. If you are running the test for the first time, click Configure Smart Echo to customize the test. Enter the desired smart echo level. During the test, a virtual echo is superimposed onto the radar signal. We call it Smart Echo. The transmitter outputs the level corresponding to the position of this echo. Now click Set Smart Echo. Make sure to read the warning message before clicking Yes. The dynamic graphics illustrate how the device output now aligns with the virtual level that we've configured for the Smart Echo. The next step is to measure the loop current. Enter the measured value into the loop current text field and click Next to evaluate whether the current deviation is within the acceptable limits. The wizard will assist you with calculating the deviation. You will see a summary of your proof test with a pass or fail indication, along with an easy-to-read and understand overview of the test. For documentation purposes, you can print a report. You have now completed the smart echo level test and you can click Finish to go back to the menu screen. The results from the latest proof test are saved in the onboard memory and can be viewed at any time. As you have just seen, it is very easy to run smart echo level test on the Rosemount 5408 and Rosemount 3408 level transmitters. If you have any questions, please reach out to your nearest Emerson representative.